Twinkle time.
Can you handle the silliest, goofiest animals ever? Let's find out. This giraffe's tongue is longer than my homework list. When Mom says no more bananas, this is the face I make. This is my Oscar-winning sad face. Oops. That penguin just invented the penguin slip and slide and nailed a perfect 10 on 10 landing. Yikes! This kitty just saw its reflection and totally freaked out. Guess who's being silly now? Look, this puppy can walk on his head. Can you? Somebody call the circus. We've got a new star. Achoo! Watch out for the splash attack. Watch out! Trunktastic water fun. That fly never saw my super long tongue coming. Zap. Gotcha, little buddy. Fliptastic. I'm doing tricks in mid-water. Dolphin magic in action. Who needs a trampoline when you've got these kicks? Boeing-tastic fun all the way! Rolling panda alert. Somebody help. He can't stop giggling. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the fun, silly poses and adorable faces all around. For more giggles, tap the playlist link in the description.